Hi guys, this is a 2010 Audi A4 Quattro 2.0. Today I'm attempting to replace the wheel bearing. So after you remove the this plastic cap, you're gonna need 19 millimeter Allen wrench, which is this one, and you're gonna use a long pry bar. This is not an easy job. It takes a lot to get this going. So we need to remove the tire now. I removed this one. This one you just push it inward, and this one, it has a small clip. You can see it there. You get the clip out and you twist in this direction, then you get it out. And then this one is just a straightforward sensor. You get it out. So once you do that, now I am ready to remove this one and hang it here so that I can support it. So I'm gonna use this technique. This is a car jack. It's gonna raise this up, and it's going to turn. It's going to turn this one because I don't have a lot of space, and there's no way I can do it by hand. So I'm gonna have to use some inventions here. So hopefully it's gonna work.
Okay, so probably as you can see, I have the car jack here set up. I have this ratchet, and I have an extension here. I used an extension, and also I raised the bar here because I'm working on the upper one, and I'm gonna use the same technique. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be turning this, and because there's no way I will be able to do that by force, I mean by my arm. Okay, so I have this one, and I can put this strap in between here. This way, when okay, I can easily hang them. Alright, that's it. So the caliper now is secured. So this one, T30, and it's loose. Okay. Yeah. Don't lose this one, because I don't have something that would work. That should do it. That should do it. This is a piece of wood. There you go. Ah, beautiful. Now this guy has to stay clean somewhere. So to remove this one, you're gonna need a 27 T27. Always use a wire brush to clean the bolts before you start taking them out. Also, I cleaned the bolts in the back. I cleaned them, and I'm going to clean them more once I have more access. So this is just a shield that we can put aside. Hopefully I won't break anything. I'm gonna have to use both hands so you get the idea. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it alone for some time. I'm not gonna touch it now. I'll give it probably about half an hour, go do something else, and come back and see how it works. So after getting the wheel bearing hub assembly out, I want to clean this area, clean it, and put a little bit of lubricant here, not too much, just a little bit, and also put a little bit here, and also you can put a little bit of lubricant inside, just to welcome the new bolt, which is actually dry, completely dry. It's gonna be completely dry, so you want to put it inside. Here I have 4 new bolts, but I'm gonna use only 3 because I'm gonna use this one, the one that is here. I'm gonna use it. This is our new assembly. This is the old one. It's wobbly, it's rusty, it makes noise, and I'm glad we're replacing it. So everything here is assembled by hand, by fingers. There's no power tool. Everything should go in easy with no fight. This bolt is going to help you to guide this in, because it's going to be backed up and you want to guide it in, so you want to use hand. And also you can use this so that you can guide it just like this, and you hold on to it, you wobble it a little bit, and it should come, it should turn easy, you know. Also, these are hand tied so far, you know. And the 4th one, the one that didn't want to come off, that one you need to clean the tip by a wire brush. Just clean it and apply a little bit of lubricant, and it should come, you know, it should become good. And so now I'm gonna go to
the next step, which is make sure that everything is firmly tight. Okay. It should go this way. Now, I just put one there. So here in this area there's a little bit of dirt, so what I'm gonna do, gonna make sure that should be enough. Now, go. Now you want to tighten this one. Yeah, just a little bit, you know, don't break the bolts. Okay, I can tell that it's good right there. Now it's the moment of truth. I'm gonna clean this with a cleaner, just a little bit, and then I'm gonna jump into the caliper, put it here, and then connect the speed sensor and install those wires where they belong and put the tire on. So here I just put this back. It was easy. There's no difficulty at all. And then what you have to do is basically just put this bolt here. Kind of keep moving the caliper in all directions till this one is able to go in, and don't put it all the way in until you put this one. The second one, which is okay, this one. So you want to hand tight both of them first. Everything is tight. It's time to put this cover back, and that's it. So now we're gonna do I'm gonna use the OBD11 to close the brakes.